Thai food is about the combination of everything. It creates the magic in your mouth. And we're gonna eat Thai style, yeah? Putting everything in the middle and then we share.
It's a tool of communication. It is built for social contact. It is made to share, not to eat.
I think we did a really good job in terms of cultural exchange because I go to your guys' house and now you come to my house. Thai people eat a lot of vegetable.
Yeah. Most of the world eats a lot of vegetable. It's just the US that's like, I need meat in everything.
I just like a little bit of this and that. I don't even like measure. Which we love.
Ta special.
Feeling like Gordon Ramsay. I think a lot of country in Western world put milk in egg. Thailand, we don't put milk in our egg.
I started putting milk in my eggs, just something like I saw my dad do. Not even something necessarily American.
Normally you have to put dill as a garnishment. I put it already.
Oh well.
Well, sorry guys, I forgot.
It smells amazing.
Then we're gonna eat Thai style, yeah? We share food. So I'm just gonna put it in the middle of the table.
So what are you guys up to here? Oh my god, what is this?
Stir fry vegetable.
Ooh. Even if we were there in Thailand, probably we were never gonna get this kind of experience. So excited for this. Don't we need peppers though? Like black pepper, red peppers?
Normally we don't do black pepper stuff like extra. Black pepper is just something we put in the food already. If it's a side of sauce or something like that, normally we have fish sauce. But they don't have fish sauce here, so Steve actually saw the process.
Ta and Steve in the kitchen, cooking show coming soon.
Cooking with Ta and Steve.
I'm probably not nearly as good of a cook as she is, so I'll be the assistant, I guess.
Is there any like way to do it?
I want you to do exactly like how we do in Thailand. You just like share the meal. I think it's like Turkish style too.
Yeah, like
But not American style.
Yeah, no.
We're selfish in America.
They want their own food.
I love sharing, man.
Yeah.
I love it. We love omelette. If you go to Thailand, you will even see that they even have omelette food cart.
They have like food carts for omelette.
Strictly omelette.
That's amazing.
Because it's such a comfort food, I would say. And we always eat with rice. We don't eat with bread.
Thanks for serving us. How nice. She's like making food and then also serving us. And next she's gonna feed us with this
I feel like shuck it in your mouth
Here you
for
go.
you too.
Come on.
So usually drinking coffee is the tradition for the Thai breakfast.
Not like Turkish breakfast culture, like having tea, not like that. Thai tea in this case is like Thai milk tea. Oh, and one more thing. Normally when we eat together, we have more than one food. Normally like two food. Omelette, stir fry, or it can be omelette, soup, or it can be stir fry, soup.
How excited are you?
Really damn excited. You know,
From 1
like
to
11. I'm gonna go another 11.
That's
Steve always go for 11.
Yeah, that's his answer. Oof, this smells so good. Like, I know you use cauliflower, green peppers, and then what else is this?
It's dill.
Ah, you have dill? I love dill.
I love dill.
That's something like I love adding on Turkish breakfast too.
Is it like a bon appetit in Thai?
Yeah, did you say like what? No?
We don't say anything. We just eat, man.
Just
You just-
shut up and eat.
Try to eat together too. A little bit of egg and a little bit of cauliflower.
I see what you're saying.
Together in one spoon. We love mixing things together.
Okay.
Let me help
Yeah.
you.
Thank you. Ooh, yeah. Told you she's gonna spoon feed me.
Hang on, like that, and
It's
just
so
chuck it in.
difficult to eat Thai style.
How is it?
Wow. So freaking good. Oh my god.
I'm so glad you love it.
No, I love it. This is so good. This is like all sorts of everything, like just dancing in my mouth. I wonder if Steve is gonna be able to manage holding all
No,
of them.
I'm definitely gonna screw this up.
Sad, we may need your help to feed Steve as well.
Yeah, Steve. Okay, so a little bit of this and that, like right? A little bit of this.
And you got
a little bit
spoon
of-
in the there.
Go ahead, Steve.
My turn.
Don't be quiet for so long.
I know.
I love the crunch of like the cauliflower on top of the egg and like the rice is like so many flavors all at once. It was really, really good. So talented.
I know, she's very good. Also, in Turkey, we don't usually eat rice and eggs together.
Nope. In Thailand, we eat rice with everything. Everything.
Good.
Fun fact, you know what? We love rice so much that when we want to say, if you eat yet,
Yeah.
we ask kin khao. Kin is eat, khao is rice. So we just say kin khao.
Eat
It's
rice.
Eat rice, but it means we eat food. So right now we are kin khao because rice is with everything. It's a big part of our
Rice
culture.
is king.
That's amazing. Rice is king.
So like we've eaten Thai food plenty before, but never Thai breakfast is super delicious.
I think we did a really good job in terms of cultural exchange because I go to your guys' house and now you come to my house.
When we planned our world trip, we watched a bunch of travel videos about the places we wanted to visit. Ta was a part of one of the channels we found, and in 2020, she made a fresh start as a solo traveler. As soon as Gokce heard that she was coming to Istanbul, she messaged Ta to meet up, and she welcomed the chance to be our guest and discover Turkey and its culture with us.
Ne demek, rica ederim. Senin misafirin bizim misafirimiz.
Teşekkür ederiz.
And then it was back to her place for some more Thai food.
In Thailand, what we always have on the side when we have like a main dish is pig nam pa. Pig mean chili, pa mean fish sauce. This chili is not spicy as well. Even Steve can eat it.
Steve can eat it.
Even the white guy from America can eat it and not cry.
In Thailand, we normally like put like fish sauce into it, but we don't have fish sauce in Turkey, so I will put just soya sauce. So this is like classic Thai student who live abroad did.
Yeah.
I'm so like proudly present this to you guys right now.
Is it done?
It's done. That's it. This is very simple.
Oh my god, look at this.
And what about this one? But this one is kind of like people might hate it or love it, but I want you guys to try.
Choose of pain. I would say very pain.
Okay. I think let's do medium spicy so then Steve can...
Nah, it's cool. Don't worry about me. I'll cry.
I mean, we already ordered some spicy
I don't mind.
stuff. Order rice. Rice is like cement here. Man, but
Sorry.
Turkish rice is the best. I swear.
See, a Thai person says Turkish
Can
rice.
I put this in the video?
Can we put this
Oh
in the
yes,
video?
please.
Is that the food? I can honestly say it smells amazing.
I mean, with the mask, I can still have the smell.
We never like really think of ordering Thai food here. Girls, so we have Tom Yum Goong. If you say like Italian people proud of pizza, Tom Yum was like what Thai people proud of. We have masaman, which is curry based, coconut based, still soup kind of food. Then we have kapao. Oh my god.
Oh, that's her favorite.
When I work, my friend and I, when we feel like, oh man, like what we should eat today, we always go for kapao. It's like lazy comfort food in Thailand among Thai people. Ooh, that's why we have to eat quick. Oh my god, yam wonsan. So yam is kind of like salad. For me, I'm most excited for you guys to try this one and kapao. Alright.
Oh my god.
I think it's cool because we kind of like doing cultural exchange. I feel like I'm being exchange student right now.
This is the real way to experience a different culture. You're just like interacting with each other. Travel is not just about your experience, it's about people getting to know you and what you are like as well.
So we have one rice and then I'm Thai, so you can expect that I have rice in my house.
Time for
Alright
us to
guys,
try.
let's do this one first, man.
This one?
No, this one because
Oh,
it's
okay.
gonna get cold.
I love glass noodle though.
Grass noodle is so good. Grass noodle for life. So Thai food is about the combination of everything, right? You have a little bit of kapao, you have a little bit of curry, you put it together, and man, it's so good. It creates the magic in your mouth, right? It's not Thai standard. That's why I say we need this.
Oh man.
Yeah, put
The
it.
sauce that she made is like very hot, but you know, all the way it's like very pleasing.
I should eat or should I just film or... I'm just here for the experience.
We should cut Steve out.
Yeah. Maybe we should start our own channel.
Gokce and Ta.
Yeah.
So which one should we try first?
If you try kapao,
Okay,
try with
try.
rice.
Okay.
I'll try with rice.
Their rice, your rice?
Their rice. Try their rice first.
Their rice?
No.
Not a fan of their rice.
Bon appetit.
There's so much going on in my mouth right now.
So Tom Yum is actually Gokce's favorite from New York.
This is pretty good, but the one in New York was much better.
Okay. Try masman. Try. Spicy.
My favorite is this one.
I like the Gopao.
This
Gopao
one.
the best.
Kapao.
Gopao.
Yeah.
Spicy food, comfort food, whatever.
Yeah, that's so good. But the best dish on this table is the one that Tom made.
It's really interesting because I get to see Gokce reaction on food, and also I get to see Steve because they are from different cultural background. So it's really fun for me to see.
Yeah. We need you to also react how you feel about your own food.
Let me try kapao with rice. Dude, exactly like Thailand.
Wow.
Let's see. Masaman. Masaman, we eat with rice. Lamao.
How's it?
Not creamy enough. Let's do tom yum. No, not at all. Normally tom yum in Thailand, you need to feel the lemongrass. This one, 0, 6 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 9 out of 10.
Oh, 9 and 10 are pretty impressive.
Now you know what you should order. Yam kapao. Exactly. And then chop some chili.
Yeah, but that one,
Soy sauce.
you need top for that.
You need me.
Thank you so much for introducing Thai food to us in Istanbul. So sad that you're leaving.
My goal is just like keep traveling, keep seeing like the other part of the world. But I feel like for Istanbul, Turkey, or for Turkey in general, it's still like a lot left. So with that being said, it means that I'm gonna come back.
Thai just left. We're about to leave as well. But even though 2020 has been very hard on us, all of us obviously, and we couldn't travel as we were planning to, but traveling is about exploring new cultures and getting to know what they eat, what they do, and getting familiar with that as much as just seeing the landscapes. This whole experience with Ta was amazing for us, even though we couldn't see her lovely country. It was so amazing to trying food and just understanding her culture. I think we traveled in a different way. Thank you so much for everything, Ta. You've been an amazing friend for us, and we can't wait to see you somewhere in the world.